The standards of the large-diameter steel pipe industry in large-diameter pipe, South Korea, and the completion of the SAW steel pipe total solution, Hyundai RB is a specialized manufacturing and engineering company that has focused on the large-diameter SAW steel pipe sector since its establishment in 1999. Hyundai RB's motto is clear: SAW steel pipe total solution. This does not simply mean a company that produces steel pipes. This means that we are a total solution company, responsible for the entire process required for steel pipe production, including equipment, processes, technology, quality, and operator training. Hyundai RB has both 3-roll bending and JCO press bending lines based on the highest level of production facilities in the country. We can produce large diameter and thick-walled steel pipes with a maximum diameter of 8,000 mm and a maximum thickness of 150, with an annual production capacity of 180,000 tons. We have manufacturing capacity that can flexibly respond to both mass production and small batch production of various types. Additionally, Hyundai RB possesses differentiated competitiveness in the heat treatment process, providing highly reliable heat treatment services that meet global standards, such as ASME and ASTM, through fully automated heat treatment equipment capable of stress relief, normalizing and tempering. Hyundai RB is a company that manufactures steel pipes and also a company that produces the equipment for making steel pipes, from JCO press bending line to roll bending line and spiral pipeline. We directly design and manufacture steel pipe production equipment, offering a complete equipment total solution that includes special equipment, process, know-how, and operator training. This is a competitiveness that is rare even on a global scale. Quality and technological reliability are proven through global certifications, such as ISO API 5L2B, ASME PED, DNV, ABS-BV, and KEPIC, meeting all international standards required for oil and gas, offshore power, and chemical, and have been chosen by global EPC companies like Shell, Bechtel, Technip, and JGC. Additionally, Hyundai RB possesses outstanding technological capabilities in the fields of clad pipe and corrosion-resistant solutions. Through TAG overlay welding-based cladding technology, we achieve reliable quality, even in corrosive and abrasive environments, and it is applied across flowline, offshore, and various plants. In summary, Hyundai RB's competitiveness lies in 3 aspects. First, the capability of providing a total solution for SAW steel pipes, from equipment to steel pipes. Second, overwhelming manufacturing technology that realizes large diameter, thick-walled, and high-strength steel pipes. Third, quality reliability, based on international certifications validated through global projects. Hyundai RB is not just a supplier of products, but a partner that designs the production competitiveness of our customers. Hyundai RB SAW steel pipe total solution and maintaining relationships through quality,